What's up? It's Eric again, doing technical analysis for the stock market on April 1st, 2020. I already wrote everything, I already did everything, so I'm just gonna look back at what I did, and then yeah, just good reference to see if my technical analysis held up for the trading day for April 1st. So let's start off with SPY here. I didn't trade today on March 31st because I was just spending time with my girlfriend, so didn't look at the markets. But so now, after seeing what it did, it looked like it showed weakness today. Came up at pre-market highs, failed, and just sold off. All right, so let's look at this. So my technical analysis for the SPY is bullish if 256.35 breaks and breaks down trend line. So tomorrow, if it can break out of 256.35 and this downtrend line, you guys see this downward trend line is from the beginning of the crash. It kind of is a crash, but you can see we briefly went over, but we got stuffed at this resistance 262. So if right now we're, oh, that's ugly. So right now we're right here underneath this. Actually, where are we? No, we're actually underneath this in after hours. So where's my 200 moving average? Oh my gosh, it's way up there. Okay, but anyways, let me get to this. So tomorrow, if it starts rallying and curling up, and I see it can break out of this, I might go for a call option. I'll probably stick my feet or put my feet in the water with one call option, and if I see it automatically get rejected here, I'm gonna sell it and switch to a put, and then ride the wave down. If it holds here, then I'll just sell it, and then I'm not gonna touch it unless something like really breaks out. But if this cracks, then of course I'm gonna hold it. Probably add. So this is what I'm gonna do. If it breaks this, stick my feet in with one option. If it can break that, get a second option and hold it. Reverse that. If it gets rejected, sell my call. Put a put, and if this holds, sell my put. Or if it cracks, get another one. So that's for the SPY. What's next? Let's see. MA, MasterCard. I think it's MasterCard, right? Yep, MasterCard. All right. So what I wrote on here is, well, where did it go? There we go. I wrote bullish if 240 holds, room to 250. So right now we're a little bit underneath it, but so actually instead of 240 holds now, if breaks. Bullish if 240 breaks. So tomorrow, pre-market, if it's still down here, I'll watch out the gates to see if it can break. Then if this breaks, then realistically has room to 245 and then 250. So room to 245 and 250. So if 240 gets rejected, it has room to 230, which I drew some lines to show you myself and you guys that if this breaks, then it has room to 230s basically. Next is BA. All right, so let's just keep it on this 1 hour. I like this. BA, bullish if 154 breaks and downtrend line. So if it breaks, this is weird. Bullish if 154.50 breaks. Res slash downtrend line, room to 169, 179. So right now it's down. Ooh, dang, this trend line is gonna be down here. Okay, so sometime pre-market, first thing I want to see is if it can break this downtrend line, the short-term downtrend line. And if it does and get over this 154.50, then I'll look to take it long. Realistically, room to 160. Room to 160. 169 and 179. So if it can break this, room to, let me draw this right here. Bam. Okay. So if it can hold up and break, room to this resistance, and after that, if it can get through 169, 170 basically, and then it really wants to move 180. Next is NVDA. Damn it, it's so hard to grab this little fucker. Alright. So, NVIDIA. Bullish if 258.50 support / trendline holds. So, tomorrow if it messes around pre-market, if it can hold, so looks like before pre-market, either two things. Either it holds this trend line, and if it can hold that, then I'll look for it to take it up to 265. Did I write that here? Yep, room to 265 and 272. So if it opens up and holds this trend line, room to this resistance and this one. But for some reason, if it's right here in this little no man's land, if it can hold 258, then I'll look for it to see if I can take it and break this trend line. But if this cracks, it has room to 252, and I think I wrote 244. Yep. Last one, Apple. AAPL. What did I do? Bullish of 249 support holds and gets over uptrend trend lines. So right now it's a little bit below, but has room. So let's see. It's gonna be interesting. So tomorrow pre-market, same thing like what did I say? NVIDIA. If it's up here, I'll look at it to see if it can hold this trend line. If it does, it has room to 258. Bullish of 258. Why did I write 258 support? Should be 249. Bullish of 258 cracks. What was I looking at? Oh, I had them switched up. That's awkward. Switch it. Bullish room 2. Oh no, I didn't. If 249 holds, yeah. Okay. I don't know what I was looking at, but yeah. Bullish of, so if it's down here, bullish of 249 holds, and then obviously if it fails at this trend line, then it's bearish, so I'm gonna sell. But if it can get over that, then it has room to 258, and then the next one's 262. Bearish is, so if tomorrow in pre-market, if this cracks, then it has room to 238. Bam, right here. Where if we that's weird. Here, let me change this. So if it cracks right here, then realistically it has room to 240, but it also has room to 237. So yeah, that's my watch list. And I'm gonna watch tomorrow to see if any other stocks has like really good news or anything, then I'll just add this on. But my main watch is most likely gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks. So let me do this. SPY, Apple, BA, MA, and NVIDIA. And I'll keep this last one for like a wild card. If something in my option scanner pops it, if anything pops up with that, that's pretty good. Or I just see something that the people are talking about on Discord and stuff like that. Let me see what the thing's doing. No, they're just chilling, just doing its thing. All right, but yeah, that's my watch list. Let me show it one more time. SPY, MA, BA, NVIDIA, and Apple. Catch you guys with the live stream tomorrow. Or basically later.